Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. We have a special surprise for Ollie. Since he loves eggs so much, he's only had them hard-boiled. We're going to see his reaction to the raw ones. You ready, bro? So we'll be keeping him on the leash for this. But if he is disinterested, I'll let him run and play. Come on. Come here, you. Come on. Crazy boy. Alright, look. In here. Here's that. This one's raw, bro. Here's another one. Oh. 2 eggs. Ooh, you're egg rich, dude. What you gonna do? I got a feeling I'm about to get real messy. Oh man, no. Subscribers help. Here. You gonna get in there? What is it, bro? I don't want your egg, bro. I don't want your egg, bro. He's getting mad. I don't want it. In there. What's in there? What's in that one? There you go. What is it? Huh. He's like, what? There's 3. Oh. Alright, broken it open. Now you try. Yeah, now you try. Yeah, you liking that one? So it's completely safe for them to eat raw eggs. They eat them in the wild. And even if they didn't, it would still be safe because it's a very low contamination risk of salmonella or anything like that. Plus these eggs are pasteurized, so there's even a lower risk. Is that good? Do you like that? Get down. So if you look, that membrane is super thick. Can you see it, guys? There you go, right there. Right there, Ollie. Ta-da. It's just a little guy. You don't like it because it's wet. Here, I'll help you. You like that? Their whites are a little runnier than a regular egg also, I've noticed. I broke the yolk on his... He don't like the yolk. It's weird. Is that good, Ollie? Well, shower time for me afterwards. Yuck. There you go. That one still got the things in it. He's like, I'm all yucky, father. Yuck. Uh-oh. You're yolky, bro. You're all yolky. I'll be that one picky monkey in the jungle, like, ew. Yeah, you don't like it? I'll help you. There. Get your special treat. Ugh, he just flicked that on my face. No. Oh, wow. Yumos. So he likes them raw and hard-boiled, but I think that he prefers them hard-boiled.
Is that good? Yeah. Is that good, bro? Did you like it? So you was all crabby at me earlier, thinking I was gonna steal your egg, and look at you now. Oh yeah. Get that thing, bro. Got a little bit of shell there, didn't you? That's alright. It's calcium, friend. Exactly, Ollie. If you're gonna do it, dirty everything, bro. Yeah. Is that good? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so awful. Oh, man. You need to get your egg, bro. Come on, then.
He's licking the yolk out the bottom.
You forgot about this one? There you go. It's in there. There you go. Here. There you go. Ew, yucky.
Oh, the slime is real. Here.
Oh.
Oh, that was like a big loogie. That was so gross. Sorry for anyone with a weak stomach. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of the baby squirrel monkey. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.